Hello and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to backup Hadoop HDFS in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To backup Hadoop HDFS agentlessly, you need to add the Hadoop cluster first. Just click Resources, Infrastructure, Hadoop Cluster, click Add. Specify your host name and verification type. Under Name Node, enter your host. User, and REST API port, then click OK. Go to Backup, Unstructured Data, Hadoop HDFS. Select Hadoop HDFS. Select Files or Folders. Select the backup destination for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like throttling policy, data storage policy, retention policy. Choose the transmission strategy, security strategy, and advanced strategy. Click Next. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. The backup job has now been completed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.